Hello, it's Miss Heather, piano and voice teacher here at Conservatory of the Ozarks, and this is the abbreviated version of Wagon Wheel for Asalee to practice with. I'm going to play and sing so she can follow along with this one. Just chorus, verse, chorus. Here's the introduction. Sorry, I don't really know the song. I haven't practiced it, but hopefully that's helpful at least. And then this is without singing, so just the accompaniment. So the introduction is the last line. So you can, in your head, you can think, hey, mama rock me, the ending line. And this key may be not the best for Asalee's voice, but we can experiment with a different key next week. But this is the same key as the Darius Rucker recording that she's been practicing with. So. And that's it. Happy practicing. 2 thumbs up for Asalee!